We'll begin by removing the tags from our pillows. It's funny, as a kid, I thought that it was completely illegal to do this, and I thought the police would show up at our house. Apparently that wasn't the case, but we'll be mixing 1 part paint with 1 part fabric softener and 2 to 3 parts water. Focus on creating a milk consistency when you start mixing. Attention all DIYers, if you're using white paint, be sure to use white fabric softener. It works better. I'd say the more fabric softener you use, the better, but it really depends on what you're trying to cover up and how you're trying to cover it. If you need a more solid base and not as pigmented, you probably want to use less water. And if you need more of a solid surface, you might want to use less fabric softener. Now I'm misting the surface of my fabric. Just the first layer doesn't have to be soaking wet, just the top layer damp. Now the whole concept of this is to transfer the pigment onto the fabric. You'll want to use some force to pressure mixture into the fabric surface, and that's why I say it is very important for you to dampen that surface, because it will allow the mixture to soak in a lot better. I initially tried using a paint roller to get the job done, but it was not pushing the liquid into the fibers as I had imagined. So I just went back to using the paintbrush, which definitely does the job and quite better than anything that I've tried so far. Especially when it comes to painting pillows, you really want a soft and smooth surface. So when you do this, it really allows it to soak in and actually feel decent on your skin. My only mistake in this project was using green fabric softener with white paint, which gave it a green undertone, which did not look the most appealing. So just be mindful of the colors that you're putting together. If you have any areas that look blotchy and just patchy, you can just spray some water on it, and that will help to spread out that blotched up paint. When it comes to painting on pillows, it's going to take about 2 days to completely dry with no assistance from a blow dryer or the outdoors. So just allow it some time. Once it's completely dry, you'll want to go ahead and sand it down. That's very important. Do not skip sanding down, because it's going to come out crispy and you don't want crispy. These are supposed to be soft, and with this recipe, it's going to allow you some soft fabric as long as you follow the steps. And last but not least, I just wanted to quickly give you a demonstration of what it takes to actually remove this paint mixture off of your table. If it happens to get on there, you just grab some basic sanitary wipes. Mine are off-branded from Walmart, nothing fancy, and just continually wipe the surface and it will definitely come up. I don't know about fabric, so be careful about what you're wearing when you do this project. With all of that said, be sure to have some kind of waterproof material underneath your drying pillow so that they do not leak everywhere. And without further ado, let's get to the final look. I also wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration on the final results. I really wanted to point out that this pillow is not crispy. It is soft to touch. When you squeeze it, it will revert back to its original form because it is not caked up. As long as you follow these instructions, you guys, this is foolproof. You will definitely get the results that you're looking for. With all of that said, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. If you liked it, please feel free to give me a big thumbs up. If you did not enjoy it, leave down in the comment section what do you think would make it better. And I just want to thank you again for joining me here today. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for anyone else, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If your project was inspired by this tutorial, please feel free to send some images to abbiehousediy@gmail.com and I will gladly showcase your artwork in one of my YouTube shorts. You'll find my email on screen and also in the description below. Check it out.